In this video, I'll show you how to get the highest Hostinger discount available, better than what anyone else offers. First, go to the special link in the description below. This link offers an exclusive additional discount, 20% off, which is higher than anyone else, so you're getting the best possible deal with it. As of recording, Hostinger has a Black Friday offer going on, but even if you're watching this later, this link will still get you an extra discount. Scroll down to check out the plans. Personally, I recommend the business web hosting plan with the 4-year deal. It comes with 200 gigabytes of NVMe storage, a free domain, and a lot more. Click on Choose Plan. You'll see that a discount is applied automatically. 4-year plan totals to just $134, which breaks down to less than $2.79 per month. You can adjust the duration of the hosting plan here if you like, and you can compare prices to find what works best for you. With this price, you're also getting a free domain, free CDN, an AI content writer, and tons of other features. So, why wait? Click Continue and grab this amazing deal. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.